Hello students, welcome class 3 to your e-learning computer class. In my previous class I have completed chapter number 7, Go with Logo. Go with Logo, this chapter completed. So today I will discuss book exercise, my practice zone. So students, better to you all, please you take out your computer book and open page number 103. You all please open page number 103. Today we will solve book exercise of chapter number 7, Go with Logo. Go with Logo, my practice zone. My practice zone. Number 1, fill in. First, number 1, fill in. A. Logo is a dash language. Logo is a programming language. So first, number A, logo is a programming language. You all please solve this part in your book. Number B, the dash moves according to the command. The dash moves according to the command. The turtle moves according to the command. So number B, the turtle. Next, number C, the dash command is used to exit the logo. By command is used to exit from the logo. Next, number D, the turtle is a small dash picture. Turtle is a small triangular picture. Triangular, Triangular. Next, number E, the dash displays all the commands given by you. The recall list displays all the commands given by you. So number E, recall list. Next, number 2, true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, first number A. The turtle moves here and there by itself. There is no need to give commands. It is false. Need commands. According to the commands, turtles move on the screen. So number A, false. Next, number B. Logo can be used to draw pictures. Yes, logo can be used to draw picture. We can use logo to draw picture and do calculations and print the text. So number B, true. Next, number C. The turtle does not move in the backward direction. It is false. Turtle can move the backward direction also. So number C, false. Next, number D. You can press the execute button. To execute command. Yes, you can press the execute button to execute the command, and you can press the enter key also. So it is number D, true. Next, number E. Logo does not have a record of commands given by you to the turtle. Logo does not have a record of commands given by you to the turtle. It is false, because logo can have a record of commands in recall depot. So it is false. Number E, false. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, programming. Number B, turtle. Number C, by. Number D, triangular. And number E, recall list. And number 2, true, false. A, false. B, true. C, false. D, true. And E, false. Now I have to rub the board for the next part. Next, tick the correct. Number C, tick the correct option. Number 3, tick the correct option. Okay, number A. A small triangular picture on the logo screen is The small triangular picture on the logo screen is home turtle, just a shape and none of this. Turtle. Option 2. A. Option 2 is the correct answer. Turtle. Next number B. Next number B. Commands can be typed in the command input box. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the B. Option 1 is the correct answer. Command input box. Command input box. Next number C. Next number C. The home command is used. The home command is used to send turtle back to home, to exit from the logo, to move turtle forward. None of this. Option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1. To send the turtle back to home. Option 1 is the correct answer. To send turtle back to home. To send turtle back to home. Next number D. Next number D. The primitive used to print the text in the commander window is. The primitive used to print the text in the commander window is PR. Primitive is used for print command, PR. Option 4 is the correct answer. PR. Its the full form is print. Now turn over the next page. Turn over the next page. Number E. Next number E. The primitive used to move turtle 50 steps forward is 50 FD, FD 50, FD 50 steps and RT 50. Here option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2, FD 50, FD 50. Okay. I hope completed. Please complete this one. A. Option 2 is the correct answer. B1, C1, D4 and E2. Now I have to rub the board for the next part. Match the following. Number 4. Number 4. Match the following. Excuse me. Number 4. Matching. Okay. Now left side is okay. Number A, this type of arrow. Number B, this, and number C, number D, and number E. Okay. And now, and this side, number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A, LT 45, LT 45, number B, home, number C, LT 180 and LT 135 and LT 90. Okay. So here A, this is LT 45. When you see this turtle is head like that, it is A, 1A. This one is LT 90. This is LT 90. B5. And next number C. This is the number C, LT 135. LT 135C. LT 135C. And now number D. This is 180. LT 180. This is number D. Number D, LT 180. And this is the home position of the turtle. This is number E. So 1A, 2E, 3D, 4C, 5B. Okay. Done everyone? I hope completed. Now you all please take out your notebook and write down the question answer. So you all please take out your notebook and write down the question answer. Chapter number 7, question answer, Q and A. Okay, write down the heading, chapter number 7, Q and A. Okay, now first question number 1. First question number 1. Name the command used to move the turtle forward. Name the command. Name the command used to move the turtle. Used to move the turtle forward. FD. Write down answer, forward. Or you can write FD. Okay. Next number, question number 2. Next, name the command used to move the turtle backward. Name the command. Name the command used to move the turtle. Used to move the turtle backward. Write down the answer. Name the command used to move the turtle backward. Backward. Backward or BK. Backward. And in short you can write BK. Okay. Now number 3. Now question number 3, write the command to move the turtle 100 steps backwards. Write the command. Write the command. Write the command to move the turtle. To move the turtle 100 steps backward. Answer BK. You all please write down BK space 100. BK then space then 100. Now question number 4. Now question number 4. Write the commands which turns the turtle 40 degrees left. Now question number 4. Write the command which turns the turtle 40 degree left. Write the command. Write the command which turns the turtle 40 degrees left. LT 40. Write down the answer. LT left 40. LT 40. Okay. LT 40. Number question number 4. LT 40. Okay. So you all please write down. Name the command used to move the turtle forward or FD. And name next question number 2. Name the command used to move the turtle backward or BK. And next number C. Number 3. Write the command to move the turtle 100 steps backwards. BK 100. Answer BK 100. Now question number 4. Write the command which turns the turtle 40 degree left. 40 degree left. LT 40. LT 40. Okay. Now I will discuss short answer type questions. Now I will discuss short answer type questions. You all please note down this. I hope Noted down. Now I have to rub the board for the next question. Next question, short answer type questions. Short answer type questions. You all please solve in your notebook. This question answer you all please write in your notebook. Now this one is again question number 1. Which command is used to turn? Which command is used? Which command is used to turn? Which command is used to turn the turtle? Turn the turtle head in the clockwise direction. Which command is used? Which command is used to turn the turtle head in the clockwise direction? Which command? RT. Write down the answer RT. Next question number 2. Next question number 2. What are the use of logo? What are the uses of logo? What are the uses of logo? What are the uses of logo? Logo is used to calculation and solve draw pictures. We can write down the answer. We can use logo. We can use logo to. We can use logo to number 1, draw pictures. Number 2, do calculation. And 3, print the text. Print the text. Okay. What are the uses of logo? We can use logo to draw pictures, to do calculation, and we can use logo to draw picture, do calculation, and print the text. Okay. Now next question. What is a primitive? What is a primitive? Question number 3. What is a primitive? What is a primitive? Now write down the answer. What is a primitive? The input of logo commands given to the turtle are called primitive. Write down the answer. The inputs or logo commands given to turtle are called primitives. What is called a primitive? The inputs or logo commands given to the turtle are called primitives. Okay. Now this is the last question. One question more you have to write. Question number 4. Which command is used to exit from the logo? Which command is used? Which command is used to exit from the logo? which command, write down question number 4, which command is used, which command is used to, which command, write the, which command is used to exit from the logo. Which command is used from exit from the logo? You all know very well, by command, B-Y-E, by. By command is used to exit from the logo, B-Y-E, by command. You all please write down by command. Now question number 1 here, which command, this is short answer type question. Previous I discussed very short answer type question, now this one is short answer type questions. Which command is used to turn the turtle head in the clockwise direction? RT command, right turn. Now what are the uses of logo? We can use logo to draw pictures, do calculations and print the text. Now question number 3, what is a primitive? What is a primitive? The inputs or logo commands given to the turtle are called primitives. Now which command is used to exit from the logo? Which command is used to exit from the logo? By command, B-Y-E, by. By command is used to exit from the logo. Okay, for today this much. I hope you all will note down, solve this book exercise in your book and your copy also. Question answer you will write in your copy, notebook, and fill in the blanks. True, false, tick the correct matching. This part you will solve in your book. Okay, for today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye beta. Bye all of you. Have a nice day.